Abusha Sam George issue no ye o. There be o. Afa na case na start yo. Appointment ne de minister no din de president ma na de ma no. Eno no ye nka ho asem ne. Because nipa ni nyansem no de na appointment ma no. Tie no de ehun hia ye. But the MP na wo di ni delegate na to no so aba and so obe represent party no. It is Sam George or next primaries. Anybody, Abusha Montage Mami, or be our contest Sam George in the next primaries. Be an ombe hume. Or be our contest in the next primaries against Sam George. I will go pram biano. Ombe hume. Me name and crop for na. We will organize ourselves. We will mobilize our own resources. Yebekwa could do 21 days. I will go pram. I'm a delegate. You know what I tell you go pram delegate bebre wo me di bebre. You know we dim come each and every day. That is why every day you will update your grounds. Okra constituency we unpopular. Sam George, you are even unpopular in your own constituency. What could 2 terms? Ye be 2 premise. Yeah, man fa sit in come MPP. Ye be change you premise. That disrespect is too much. Mo boom ani gu normal so toto enim tie buo no edoso uko na one uko organizers lifestyle creators ne MPP pandits ankofo we prisi one mo ne eye dia nade egu ni seso no kwasi official mo no nkoma oni omukodi ye ne ye ni ho sa guys we china bi omoba no mo be ka kire say na minister ka kire ma how we do know to even defend the party and defend the government because one fair ye na Ghana na no hwan nkan even in kan na nkasa no kra no bloggers are home here political stories e musa now from including MPP bloggers one fair one they are all doing content a friend say me ho kani Mavis political Mavis mo any mo boys see omoye good they are equally doing good as MPP bloggers your NDC influencers they are also doing well you didn't call any of them one lifestyle creators. Me say yeah the Sam George constituency no ebe put a test next year 2026 we move home. Me say that my experiment you will see the power of the social media. You think we are joking? We will spend 21 days. We will mobilize our own funds. The ebedi the ebenom your transportation. We will mobilize everything from them. Minim say Grace Kohemu ne Samson Wamo ne Quinshai mu na etechire they will mobilize funds and bring it down. You better Sam George constituency. You better change baby to me wo. Some of us we campaigned across the region, across the country. Central region, we did everything that we could. And then show us just appreciation and recognition. You are there just disrespecting the social media. And the social media is the new media, in case you don't know. Now, you better experiment Sam George constituency 2026. You see.
Hello, Adolfo. Me pamacho me video mo fan tag Honorable Sam George. Honorable Sam George mo fan me video in tag na mame. Any say enche bia na yenya ne tie say wakopie mi wo China. Any TikTok akodi nkomo say emra so say Ghana TikTok say si etue omoka. Ena TikTok G2 mu no bedru Ghana. Obaya na watu ensa fret Ghana TikTokers. Aja NDC TikTokers na omudi omanim na omanim onyam eye adwumaden ye campaign kokoden ema ban papa ba ye ema ban papa ne be yi no as a communication minister ema wono wanya ho faso akwa plead on TikTokers behalf no wagya wo mo agu ho rather no ana wa invite MPP sana meka no because Kofi official as a wine we MPP ni priest as a priest na ya priest as a priest na wo boni di priest where are you priest where are you me hu when na wakasa ma NDC da okotina UTV etwitwa ball no wo se wo ye wunu ba a wo boni din wan hu NDC blogger bi edin anya dan ammo NDC from penny for nema bi wo mo hwe ni ye o Moshani ye Honorable Sam George. When so JDM na yeso wo meka nkyerɛw enkyerɛw de ye. Wo no NSS wo kyerɛw wo dwuma no nkyerɛw de ye. The same NDC bloggers here, and then pre-justice for you. I was West Wagwan saying for MPP time, Omukobu Bo was soon. NDC bloggers, no, a year woman ya. Nanu ya, how I come to dear by ya, Bricuma, no for Sabricumasa, a year how I come to dear by ya. Omu pre-justice for how I come to no. Now you're moving your social media. NDC bloggers now won't move or mona. What show mo channel or more social media and now more pre-justice for Sam George. Say or more pre-justice ama how comes to there. And the justice for Sam George also. Sam George also say na won't fa woman yeshe. And try ye. Sebeya papa mawa. Esa woton suffer NDC bloggers and also watch social media. Now who told you say? Who create funny jokes? And make any mawiye content creator. Who told you that? Who told you that? Sekaye MPP are buying and that was so. And a MPP Minister of Communication, Aqua stressing into your TikTok foka. And come by and come in say. NDC like ayi baku krabisi yasiye. At least who told Safre TikTokers. Jin one e kon kodin awo muku social media. Now wo ma buying back power no mo support ma buying back power. Jin one na sell it bi na fa bi fra. Two best I will tell me say, one by one will be envelope panel. Because when I was invited one. So obviously will be more envelope. And try you. And this in penny phone be much be you. And this bloggers no muku social media na mo fa wo mo nya hwe no. O mo na de o mani mo nyam ekon kodin ma party ni ba power. Na yemu bi ni ya ye din. Ya ye din. Amna ye ninka so. 2028 is just at the corner. Say ya na MPP baye. Omo yi omo bloggers emaye. And ne edo omo opposition. Ebi na mo ye no. When so Sam Jones over say what try me say. Enka JDM na yeso wo me kira wo de ya na. JDM or ye na said as a president. And where you as a minister of communication. Enya wo no na yeso wo sabe kira wo sabe nyansa. E kira wo de ye. NDC bloggers na o magie anim guase wo social media. Edi wo manim, ene wo manim onyam abeto social media ye campaign a fight a support o ma party na ba power. O mo de wo twa o moja. Na Prissy, where are you? Prissy, you are not here. One NDC blogger bia money din. Prissy ni tabe na o ye campaign ma NDC. I know say the whole Ghana TikTok is in ebi tu omuka, but at least fair. Say ka wo to nsafre TikTokers no ka obe kai NDC TikTokers no na wa invite wo die mu act mix it omoda wase what is Sam George and ye sebeya papa mawa to nsafre NDC TikTokers no enye sa they are hurt inside them say within them as you can say because me bo fuye ombo fuye papa. Yes, of course, many are brave because me cry back here. I support them a lot. And they say, "Bibi banners and koya." I have the right to say it. Sam George, why nye it's a shame. Ye wajuma ye. Now 8 years, 4 years is just at the corner. And this is to talk. Now my imagine say, "Mono commende woman." Penifoni be munya careful. When I don't think say JDM nim the ekosui. Because anything away you as a minister, I say unhu wadwuma. Enya ono na say wo sabe tuufo. E kira wo de ye. Me buo fui ye papa antwa ye. Anyway, Grace ko he me de afia je makram.